Whose name?
Evelyn Joseph.
Oh, Joseph.
They're your cousins. Guys, we don't even reach good. Where the road? Push.
Outside.
Mr. Like push. We rest later.
Outside.
Whee! It's nice and cool. Me I hope every day cool so. Because we hear our story about how hot it be. So
Some days.
hey Autumn, I see your fingers. I see your fingers, girl. Yeah, some days hot. Yes guys, we touch road. We touch road.
Pay attention.
Yes.
There's a picture of the bridge.
Yes. This is 69th Street.
So big.
Literally can walk and daddy come up here, so don't.
What the heck, man? Where?
Bank of America.
Yeah.
This is actually Mikael's first time in a trampoline. Right, Mikael? Make him stand up and get Malik. Stand, buddy.
Stand up, come over here.
You're tired? Mikael say I'm tired.
Mali, you're too heavy. You're sinking too low. You want to see one all of them in there? Go, go. You jump. Oh, yeah, come in. Jump, Baba, jump.
He's enjoying his American moment. Not his first time, but he was a tiny tot when he came. And Marie's going inside to jump as well. Go, Marie. Show them how you jump on it. Lord Jesus.
Playing already.
No, don't do that.
Jump, Mikael, jump. Jump, buddy, jump.
Yay! Yay!
Jump, bud. Jump, I want to see you.
Take time with him, take time with him. Yeah, shake out him life.
You tired? Jump. Jump, buddy, jump. Jump with me, yeah, Michael. Oi. This is so relaxed. Jump, Molly. Give me a ride. Yeah. That's it. Yes, so.
Poor Mikael. Mikael can't manage that. Me papa? Jesus have mercy.
I'm sliding in the socks. Molly, heavy now?
If him heavy?
Me. Not me alone. Oh, them springers strong. Bring them spring. You think when they are grown already? Yeah, say, Steve. I'm not gonna ask you something out there.
Me not even know if this can be there to hold me and ride the wave. You don't think me there? You don't think me there? Hi! Help! Lord Jesus have mercy. Me dead now. Hey boy. This feet worse than when you're on board pan sea. This give more motion sickness. Perfectly fine.
No, buy it off of your account, Bridget. Jump, man, jump. Take time with him, take time. Mother, stop running in a boy. Try your best to take one picnic. Don't pay the eye. Why?
Yeah, don't him.
Yeah. You alright, bud? You alright? Yeah?
Wow!
Yeah? Jump, buddy, jump.
Watch out, then dead now. Pesheng weng weng. Two eyeglass.
It's literally it's literally 8 o'clock, guys, and day broad light. Literally 8 o'clock. Like, yes, baby.
You go now.
It's literally 8 o'clock at night. 8 p.m. 8 p.m. 8 p.m. And the sun is still out.
I'm going to try to play basketball.
Yeah, a basketball, lot.
Adam, keep it. Ready? Straight.
Oh my word. Mega stop feed you. You eat too much food. Too strong.
Strike one, buddy. Strike one. No good.
That's two. It's two. That's two.
No like how you fight out my husband and a boy.
Ready? Alright, two. I'm not league sake, I think. Right? My league sake.
Get that.
That box, man.
It's on the sky, Mom.
Yes, it's all the way in the sky, baby.
Catch that.
No, I'm good catch that. May I catch that about me? Nah, Joe.
Daddy, put it in the sky.
Baby, that is, Mikhail put it in the sky.
Ah, biscuits. Dad, I said put it in the sky.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's stuck at the tree.
Stuck in the tree?
Yep.
Your daddy's so strong. Ah. Look here, them hours a night here, I go mash up my life. Me prepare for sleep when we're there Jamaica now.
Normally when they are yard, they wrap up in a sheet.
Of course, we are prepared for sleep. Look, there's sun literally in the sky. Them hours a night.
You want to come closer? Because you want out, you know, I want to stay in the whole night. I mean, I want to run up to the mud.
Look at Michael. Look. Whoa!
Papa, come out of the way. One strike, my John. Two. Come, one strike less. Because I don't want to dump nobody else. Alright, watch out. Must get it now. Must get my video. Ready?
Ready.
Set. One strike.
Your teeth like.
Dad, Mom. Let's go to Dad.
Alright, I can do it, man.
Mommy, let's go to Dad, Mom.
Hold on, you can't go to Dad yet. I
No.
don't want Uncle bat the ball and it hit you. So, can't go to Dad yet, okay?
Did you see yellow ball? His dad?
Mm-hmm.
He almost hit the little kid over
I saw. He didn't do it on purpose.
Yeah,
So
but
we're
he
happy. We're happy it did not hit the kid, right?
Yeah. But if it did, that would be.
It's lit the ball.
Let's go straight to Dad.
Walk that way. Go with him, Autumn. Walk far this way and go to Dad.
This way.
Go with her. Go with her, baby. Come on, Malik. Which airline is that, Gregory? Huh? Which airline is that? Southwest, okay. Yeah. It's pretty. So we're very close to the airport in Philadelphia, so like every 10 seconds a plane takes off.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
Come on, Uncle Gregory. Better than that, man. Malik, that's short, man. Come on. Come on, Malik.
What do you want to go with?
There goes another airplane. That look like American airline, no?
That was a good one. That was a good one. One more. You know one more time. That's a strike. Put it in the back. Me know. Give me one. I can't get one more. I'll try to get uncle one ball. I'll try to get uncle one ball.
You're trying to give my son head back.
Shana. Oh, we have to protect my... No, it's alright. Come. See Maya come. Just stop it for a time.
You know that precise.
Wait. You think
Yeah, you're good.
Why? Why? Me tell you about my son head back, you know. Put a helmet for me, boy.
Watch.
This time thing have me a weirdo. Ready? Good one, Gregory. Ooh, good one.
Alright.
All right, Mali.
So the squirrel is trampolining this morning. I tell you, say these squirrels are something else. So one is in the trampoline and one is beneath. Yeah, man. Your garden can't survive with them.
But look, they know how to come out of the net. I'm smart. Oh.
Guys, may I try to follow them? They're so frisky. Oh God. So they're in the trampoline, having no care in the world, fun galore, no bills to pay. One day up in the tree, you know? See one day up in the top of the tree? Right here, it's over my head.
Let me see the rabbits. Look across the road.
Oh, and the lawn, yeah. See the rabbits there, guy? You know, say this me you da love? Instead of me have the rabbit them in a cage, yeah? Left them to run up and down. This me love. Guys, look at Marie. Look at Marie, guys. Get them. Look at Marie, guys. Go, mommy. Look at Marie. And she gone. Here she comes. You're not called to them. May I go run? Come in like a pro now.
Michael can't tell you know, guys, you see Malik? Malik love the bike. I'm gonna ride it till the battery dead. So guys, I had to remove the original audio because too much loud music in there. The people them copyright music. Morning, Shayna. And it fit you perfectly. Your foot biggie? I'm kidding, girl.
My foot can come right through it.
Go.
How about the roller coaster?
How about the roller coaster?
Yes.
Which roller coaster?
The red one.
The red one?
Yes.
No, leave the hose. Why you not leave the hose in the pool, boy? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Autumn, come!
Autumn is not just for the pool. Something is scratching you? Huh?
Yeah, I just wait.
Go, buddy.
Guys, look, there's bubbles on me.
Joe, you were sleeping? You were sleeping? No?
Autumn, come. Come,
That-
there's no punish my dad said he'll just get punished tonight. Our dad wants us outside, so.
Uh-oh. Yeah, there's a lot of bubbles. side. Hurry up. Hey, come here.
You want me to help you? Bring it back. Alright, figure it out.
Yeah, balloons on
Not Steve, guys. Him no better.
the. I did it.
What did you do?
Tumbled it over.
You thump it over? Guys, you see that one apple? That's what the squirrel leave. Well, no, 2 on the tree. That's an American apple. The squirrels eat off all of the apple.
It's a Granny Smith.
That's where.
It's a Granny Smith.
Is that what?
Granny Smith's apple.
It's a Granny Smith apple? Really?
I'm gonna Google it.
Guys, it's Abby. We're wrapping up this video for today, guys. See you in the next one. Please stay tuned, okay?